A motorcyclist who overestimated his capabilities, a Toyota Camry taking the wrong route, and a pickup truck driver stealing a trailer with equipment. On Sunday, November 19, 2023, at approximately 8:10 p.m., I observed a black motorcycle with flashing red and white lights traveling east on 19th Street. I caught up to the motorcycle and initiated my emergency lights. The motorcycle turned right onto L.E. Gillian Drive, and then initiated my emergency siren. The motorcycle then increased its speed from approximately 30 miles per hour to speeds of 90 miles per hour in a 45 mile per hour zone and was actively fleeing.
Time to get a motorcycle stop, 49. Or coming up 32 on 49. Go ahead and get 30 seconds. Notify TPD and
The motorcycle crossed the U.S. Highway 82 and continued onto I-49 southbound on-ramp. The motorcycle then lost control and left the roadway on the right shoulder of the on-ramp.
Stop right there! Stop! Stop! Show me your hands now!
As I reviewed my dashcam video, I observed that Mr. Dumb appeared to hide something in the wooded area next to where he crashed. I went and looked in that area and found the backpack Mr. Drum was wearing. While putting the belongings inside the backpack, I observed a black and brown RG-23-22 LR revolver that was loaded lying in the ditch close to where Mr. Drum was. Details of the chase are not known. Officer Markeith Neal joined the chase to assist other police officers in stopping the Toyota Camry.
Northbound turn on Hazel, speed approximately 50 miles an hour. Northbound Hazel, speed 50 still. Lights to no traffic. Just turn back east on 13.
Almost immediately after the recording began, the Camry swerved off the road and attempted to take a shortcut. Instead, the Camry fell into a ditch and got stuck. After a foot pursuit, the suspect was apprehended because the Toyota's exhaust was too hot. The grass underneath caught fire. It all started when police discovered a Porsche Panamera whose driver was suspected of being the shooter. The officer in the recorded car drove into his path and became the primary officer in the chase. Due to the speed, the driver of the Porsche failed to control and crashed into a tree.
Hey, he wrecked out on Silverhawk. He's running. Yep. You gotta clear the car first. Clear the car.
Wanted out of Pulaski County for questioning. The driver was allegedly Amir El Meher, who crashed on Highway 365 in Silverhawk. Suspect ran on foot and was not captured. Police received notification from the flock camera system that the driver of a Ram pickup truck stole a trailer full of construction equipment and tried to get away. An officer spotted the pickup, which was by then pulling a trailer, and when the officer attempted to make a traffic stop, the truck sped away, reaching speeds of 80 miles per hour and almost hitting an oncoming vehicle.
I don't know how much TVI I am. He's got that trailer behind him. But, Let's Spring don't know if they can get units. Showed no regard for my vehicle. I don't know how bad the damage is, but I'm still up.
First Spring, though, they're only going to block intersections. They're not going to get involved in 37.
10-4. 20 or 43. How do you say we go about this without having the trailer?
We're just going to have to hit the truck. I've had one like this before with a trailer. There's no way you can fit it. Push off 20, I'm getting off the interstate.
We're approaching Gene George on 412.
Alright, 43. 23, 10-4.
Just try to run me into another car. It looks like we're going northbound on I-49.
Copy, going northbound I-49. 45 wall, I'm gonna go south there on 49. I'll try to set up some spike strips.
Police attempted a pit maneuver to stop the vehicle, but were not successful.
43, 10-4. I am on the northbound ramp. I'll be secondary here in a minute. 23, 10-4. Would they used to get in front of him, slow him down? I'm turning around here with wagon wheel. 73, taking 73. Taking 73. Hey, Desmond, go ahead and get in there.
Got 3 Tawnytown units in front of me. Okay, he is going westbound on Elm Springs.
Okay, for westbound on Elm Springs.
It wasn't caught on video, but at this point, the spikes had already been used against the pickup truck, which is why the right front tire was punctured.
Trying to box him in. Okay, we're trying to box him in. Copy, you guys stop.
Got a phone in his hands. That's why I see a phone.
Next, an attempt was made to block the truck. It was also successful due to the fact that the pickup truck overheated and lost power. You can see this by the clouds of smoke. The suspect was apprehended.
Boy, loading cancel, it's just can't freeze. A lot of money on the back. Oh yeah. He's just trying to, I don't know if that's why, but I assume, I don't know.
Hey, thank you for your time and have a great day.